If you are a turkey lover, you're going to enjoy this quick and easy Instant Pot video. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to cook some easy smoked turkey legs. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, Shuna's Cooktorials. I get these turkey legs from my local Edwards grocery store. If you have one in your area, you can find these. They are by Royale. They are pre-cooked and then frozen, so you don't have to do a lot with it. I have a video doing this when I first started YouTube on my other beauty and lifestyle channel, Nefer Persona. So you may have seen me cooking these before if you're familiar with that channel. If not, this is a new up-to-date video, better quality, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. If you have any questions about anything, you know what to do, and just stay tuned to see how great these turn out. You won't regret it, I promise. Enjoy. Alright, now what I'm doing on here, as you saw, I only cooked it for 25 minutes. Now, if you don't mind having them like this, where they're not falling off the bone, be my guest. Go ahead and indulge. They're ready to go. They're tender, but not as tender as I prefer. See how the fork kind of just pulls the meat off? But I won't fall off the bone. So 25 minutes is definitely enough time to cook these from frozen. As you can see, that flavor of the peppers are infused. That's what the Instant Pot is good at, infusing those flavors in a short amount of time. But what I'm going to do is take them out. The ones that were at the bottom, I'm going to now put those on the top. And the ones that were on the top, I'm now going to put those, the ones that were on the bottom, I'm now going to put those on the top. So that's the biggest one that was in there. So I definitely made sure to put that one in first to rearrange. Cook for 25 more minutes, I think. That's what I did. And get them definitely fall off the bone, but still attached to the bone, if it makes any sense. All right, this is the final reveal. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's so tender, so juicy. Oh my god, delectable. Delectable. Please give this a try if you like turkey, but you just want to do not want to take all day to cook it. Subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and Happy New Year as well.